Hello, good morning to all. Hello, good morning. Okay, yesterday we were doing this question number 48. If my sound is clear, yes. Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now in this question, Sajal and Kajal are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. On 1st April 2019, their capitals were Sajal 5 lakh, Kajal rupees 4 lakh. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and the partner's capital account at the end of the year after considering the following. First is interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. Interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the year, the amount of loan being 3 lakh. So this is the loan given by Kajal to the firm. So interest on loan is not mentioned. So how much interest should be paid at what rate?
6%.
Yes, 6% per annum should be paid interest on loan. Interest on partners drawings at the rate of 6% per annum. Drawings are given 1 lakh and Kajal 80,000. 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to general reserve. Profits before giving effect to the above 7,02,600 for the year ended 31st March 2020. I mean, this is a profit you have been given before taking all these items into account. So how will you start? First, you will prepare profit and loss appropriation account, or you will prepare profit and loss account. Yes, anyone? Will you transfer this whole amount 7,02,000 to profit and loss or profit and loss appropriation account, or you will deduct something from it? If anyone can answer.
So profit and loss appropriation account should be made first because we have to deduct the interests on from the
नहीं, I am asking if 7,02,000 जो है 7,02,600, you will straight away credit this amount to P&L appropriation account, और इसमें से कुछ less होके credit होगा. Read this adjustment B part. Interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the year ended. For the year, the amount of loan being rupees 3 lakh. What should be the treatment of this interest on loan? Where will you transfer this interest on loan? Yes, Asta?
So sorry, I don't know this one.
No one knows. Chahal? Chahal? Vansh? You can answer, Vansh. If Vansh is there, Vansh? It's very easy. Okay, interest on loan is a charge. It must be debited to P&L account. This interest on loan is the part of P&L account. So first you will debit this to P&L account, or you can straight away deduct 6% of 3,18,000 will be deducted from this profit in order to distribute the profit among the partners. So first you will make profit and loss account for the year ended this. By net profit 7,02,600, to interest on loan 18,000, to profit transfer to P&L appropriation account, this amount will be transferred to P&L appropriation account. If this point is clear to everyone now? Yes, any doubt? Darika, have you taken the attendance?
Yes, sir.
And Pramika,
Yes, sir.
how many are present from
Sir,
12C?
13.
13.
13.
And from 12C, Darika?
मैं count कर रही हूँ.
Okay, now this part is clear. If this part is clear, to interest on loan will be transferred to P&L account. Now you will
Sir,
prepare
19 है.
19 and 16. 19 and 30 तो 32 है. There are 41. कुछ लेट ज्वाइन किया कहीं उन्हें. Okay, now you will make a profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. By net profit as per P&L account, this amount should be credited to P&L appropriation account. So be clear, the interest on loan is a part of profit and loss account. It is not a part of profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on loan given by a partner to the firm. So now first part will be, now the case is clear, A part, interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 5%. So 5% of 5,25,000, 5% of 4 lakh will be 20,000. So you will show interest on capital, Sajal's capital, Kajal's capital 20,000. So this amount will be debited to P&L appropriation account. Now next part is interest on partners drawing 6% per annum. Drawings are 1,80,000. Where will we show drawings? Anyone can answer? Drawings.
Debit side.
What account?
Appropriation.
Debit side of P&L appropriation account. No, drawings are the part of
Profit and loss.
drawings. Beta, I am asking only drawings. Drawings. Drawings are made out of capital or profit. It will reduce our capital. So drawings will be shown in capital account. Is it clear? But interest on partners drawing, it will be shown on the credit side of P&L appropriation account, because this is an income. This is an income for firm. To buy Sajal's capital 3,000, Kajal's capital 2,400. If anyone can tell me how this 3,000 came. Interest on drawings are given, 6% of 1 lakh comes to 6,000. Why I have taken 3,000?
6 months का लिया है क्या?
Yes, Maulik. Maulik, can you tell me?
क्या sir?
Maulik, your interest on drawings, it's written Sajal's capital 3,000. But अगर मैं calculate करूँ 6% of 1 lakh, it comes to 6,000. If I have taken something wrong,
तो 6,000 ही आएगा.
हाँ 6,000 ही आएगा ना. Vansh, do you agree?
सर आपने 6 months का लिया है.
क्यों लिया हुआ 6 months का? I am saying 3,000 is correct. Yes. बेटा इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स ड्राइंग्स तो मैं कल चार्ट बताया था. इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स ड्राइंग व्हेन देयर इज नो टाइम पीरियड इज गिवन. व्हेन नो टाइम पीरियड इज गिवन, always take time period as 6/12. So what I have done, 1 lakh into 6/100 into 6/12. That's why I got 3,000. And 80,000 into 6/100 into 6/12. If the time period is not mentioned, then we always take at 6/12. Is it clear? So by interest on drawing, Sajal's capital, Kajal's capital 5400. Now come to the C part. Now C part is given 10% of the divisible profits is to be transferred to reserve. Now what is the difference between divisible profits and net profits? Difference between divisible profits and net profit.
Sir, net profit P&L account में से आता है.
Net profit is this part. हाँ, net profit here it is 6,84,600. And divisible profit will be?
Sir, ये interest on capital और salary वगैरह minus करके जो
Yes,
आएगा.
after deducting all these items. So whatever is a balance, so to reserve 10% of 645. 6,45,000 कैसे आया? 6,84,600 plus 5,400 minus 45,000. So you get 6,45,000. So 10% of this will be transferred to reserve. So this 6,45,000 is the amount of divisible profit. Now, after deducting this amount, 6,84,600 plus 5,400 minus 45,000 minus 64,500, you get 5,80,500. Now you'll divide this 5,80,500 in the ratio of 2:1. So Sajal will get this, Kajal will get this. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? बेटा अगर तुम आंसर नहीं दोगे इट मींस यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंट देयर. तुमने सिर्फ वो ऑन किया हुआ है बस. Yes, no one is answering. Abhinav Arora, are you there?
No, sir,
Yes,
no doubt.
yes, sir.
बेटा any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
बेटा don't chat with me. Just answer. सार्थक, ध्रुव, बेटा आंसर दे दो बस के yes or no बस. Now total comes to this. ये आ गया तुम्हारा. So here two items were there. One was B part, interest on loan. Second one was interest on partners drawing. Now come to next question. You have to make partners capital account also. So I have taken this P&L appropriation account again. Now partners capital account, Sajal, Sajal and Kajal. So first you will transfer the opening balance. Capital balance are given 5 lakh and 4 lakh. So you will transfer these amounts here. Now this interest on capital will be transferred to which side? Yes. Where will you transfer this? Where will you show this in the partners capital account? Debit side of credit side. It will be shown on the credit side. So credit side you will write buy interest on capital account 25,000 and 20,000. And reserve, will it be transferred to capital account? Yes. Do you transfer this reserve to capital account once? Yes, Abhinav. Abhinav Arora.
बैलेंस शीट में ट्रांसफर होगी सर.
Where? Which side? Liability side or asset side?
Liability side.
Yes, very good. It will be shown in the liability side. And this amount will be transferred to credit side. Profit will be transferred to credit side. So by P&L appropriation account, profit, it will be shown as this. And interest on drawings?
Debit side.
Debit side. Interest on drawings will be shown on the debit side. Drawings I have taken from the question to drawings account 1,80,000. These were the drawings on which they were charged interest. Now you can close this. So to balance CD. बेटे are you noting it? कोई note कर रहा है इसको? और सिर्फ सुन नहीं रहे हो?
यस सर सर नहीं साथ साथ नोट कर रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
बेटा
Note कर रहे हैं.
कर रहे हैं सर, नोट कर रहे हैं,
हाँ
कर रहे
साथ साथ
हैं।
जरूर किया करो सो दैट तुम्हें समझ आए, अदरवाइज खाली सुनने से समझ नहीं आएगा. दिस इज प्रैक्टिकल.
ओके सर।
So these are the balances to be carried forward to next year. मैं थोड़ा स्लो ही चल रहा हूँ ताकि तुम्हें सब समझ आए और आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल. Shall I proceed to next question? Now question number 50. Now question number 50. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at the rate of 6% per annum. B is allowed to an annual salary of rupees 2,500 during the year prior to interest on capital, but after charging B salary amounted to rupees 12,500. A provision of 5% of the profit is to be made in respect of manager's commission. Prepare an account showing the allocation of profits. Now they have asked you to prepare an account to show the allocation of profit. Which account will you prepare for this?
Profit and loss appropriation.
Yes, you will make profit and loss appropriation account because the question is written prepare an account only. It means you will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, but what will be the, where will you show this one? A provision of 5% of the profits is to be made in respect of manager's commission.
नेट प्रॉफिट में से माइनस करेंगे.
Yes, this is a part
Profit
of
and loss account
हाँ, this is a part of profit and loss account. So on in the working notes you can prepare this or you can simply deduct this amount from the profit available. Is it clear? Now come to this part, this red one. During the year, profit prior to interest on capital, but after charging B salary amounted to rupees 12,500. So this is a 12,500. This is the profit before charging interest on capital, but after charging B salary. What was B salary? B is to be allowed an annual salary of 2,500. So what should be the actual profit? If anyone can tell me the actual profit. Profit before interest and after charging B salary is 12,500 and B salary is 2,500.
15,000.
15,000. Yes, very good. Because 12,500 is the profit after charging B salary. B salary was 2,500.
10,000 sir.
This 2,500 will be added to 12,500. So total profit will be 15,000.
15,000.
Now, a provision of 5% of the profit. 5% of the profit means simple profit. 15,000 of 5% will be transferred to manager's commission. So first you will make profit and loss account by profit before salary was 15,000. Then to manager's commission will be 15,000 into 5 by 100. So manager's commission is 750 only. So the balance will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So 14,250 will be transferred to this. Either you can show this account, okay, or you can simply deduct 15,000 minus 750 and you can show it here. So by net profit as per P&L account 14,250. Now the question is simple. Now the question is easy. Nothing, only interest on capital is to be given at the rate of 6% per annum and B is to be allowed in salary. So interest on capital will be 6% of 50,000 and 6% of rupees 30,000. It will be shown on the debit side. To interest on capital, A is capital, B is capital, 4,800. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will write salary. Shoot salary. B is capital 2,500. Okay. Then total will be 14,250. 14,250 minus 4,800 minus 2,500. You will get amount 6,950. This 6,950 will be divided between A and B in the ratio 3:2, because the ratio is given 3:2 here. So 6,950 into 3 by 5, you will get 4,170. 6,950 into 2 by 5, you will get 2,780.
So sometimes if the ratio is not given, so can we
Then-
assume that
Then
3:2?
always take equal ratio.
Equal ratio.
Yes, if no ratio is given, you always take equal ratio.
Sure. Thank you.
It is a provision in the partnership deed also. In the absence of partnership deed, the profit sharing ratio will be equal. Darika and Pramika, can you check who has joined just now?
Sir, 3 students of 12th.
Hmm?
3 students of 12th here joined late.
Just now,
Yes, sir.
because 61, now we have 61. Who are those?
Sir, Tanish, Lavanya, Sanskriti.
Lavanya joined. Lavanya, you joined late?
Yes sir, मेरी नेट में प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी तो पहले ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay. And what about the other two?
Tanish and Sanskriti.
Tanish from 12th E. Yes, Tanish. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 51. Pramika, I want these the contact number of these students. Can you
Okay, sir.
send me the list? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to make partners capital account also.
हेलो सर.
हाँ जी बोलो.
सर एक बारी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन दोबारा समझाना.
Previous ये वाला बेटा. This one 50. Which question beta, 50 or 49? 48?
49.
49 so we haven't done. We have done 48 only. After 48, हाँ 48 I have done. 48 में हाँ बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम बेटा इसमें?
सर एक बारी ये इसका जो आखिरी पार्ट हमने कहा था ना डी वाला, इसको एक बारी दोबारा समझा दो.
हाँ इसमें देखो 10% of divisible profit is to be transferred to reserve. Divisible profit means जो after giving all the interest, salary part और interest on drawings, ये सब deduct करके जो balance आएगा, that is called divisible profit. I am showing this. ये देखो. Now 6,84,600 was the net profit. Interest on drawings was 5,400 and interest on capital was 45,000. So after deducting 45,000 and adding 5,400, जो balance आएगा that will be called divisible profit. ठीक है? So that comes to 6,45,000. You can calculate 6,84,600 plus 5,400 minus 45,000. So you'll get 6,45,000. So 10% of this will be transferred to reserve.
62,000.
ठीक है?
ओके सर. ओके.
हाँ. Now ये जो फिगर आई है ना ये वाली 5,80,500. This is the divisible profit after deducting this. ठीक है? तो अगर divisible profit दिया हुआ है तो always take this one as divisible profit and this will be taken as net profit. Sometimes it may be given 10% of the profit is to be transferred to reserve. So 10% of profit means 10% of this amount. ठीक है? Next question में ये 50th question में it is given. Here it is divisible profit, but in the next question, here it is given provision of 5% of the profit is to be made. So 5% of profit means 5% of net profit. Net profit was 15,000. So 15,000 का 5% 750 we have given to manager as commission. अच्छा इसमें तो लिखा हुआ ना एलोकेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट, बट अब न्यू तुम्हारी बुक में लिखा हुआ है यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट आल्सो, आई थिंक सो लिखा हुआ है बुक में. बट इन ऑर्डर to make the partners capital account, you have to make like this. Balances are given 50,000 and 30,000 and transfer these three to the credit side. To interest on capital will be transferred to by interest on capital 3,000 and 1,800. Then by salary 2,500 will be given to B only. A will be not given. Then profit will be transferred to the credit side. So this is our total. So to balance carried down, balancing figure will be this. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now come to the next part. This one, question number 51.
Sir, can you show the previous question again? The last slide.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Simple, we have transferred interest on capital, in salary and P&L profit to the credit side of partners capital.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you can.
But again, one has left. 59 students are there. Who has left earlier? Now question number 51, page number 2.88. Now there are three partners and their current account balances are shown in this. Their capital accounts are these and current account balances were these. Now in this case, देखो A is given 10,000, B is 5,000, but C is given debit balance 2,000. It means it has negative balance. According to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to an interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. C, being the working partner, was also entitled to a salary rupees 12,000 per annum. Profits were to be divided. Now, normally we were given only the simple ratio. Okay, divide this into the ratio 5:3:2 or 3:1. But here, the first 20,000 in proportion to their capital, next 30,000 in the ratio of 5:3:2, and remaining profit to be shared equally. ये एक ही क्वेश्चन है जो 2000 I think 9 या 10 में आया था. The firm made a profit of rupees 1,72,000 before charging any of the above items. Means before charging these. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and pass the necessary journal entry for the appropriation of profits. You have to prepare P&L appropriation account and then you have to pass the necessary journal entry, not entries, for the appropriation of profit. Means how will you distribute the profits. So this is the part we have to do. ठीक है? Otherwise rest is clear. I think के interest on capital you can easily calculate, salary भी कर लोगे, but how to divide the profits? Let's do this question. So profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended this. Now by net profit as per P&L account is given 1,72,000. I have taken this part. 1,72,000 will be transferred to the credit side. Okay. Now to interest on capital. Interest on capital is given. Kitna interest on capital? 10%. So 10% of these capitals you will take. 10% of 50,000, 10% of 50,000 and 10% of 1 lakh. It comes to 5,000, 5,000 and 10,000. but here I have written A's current account because their capitals are fixed. Although the word fixed capital is not given, but whenever you have been given the current account balances, it means the capitals are fixed. So to interest on capital, A's current account this, B's current account, C's current account. Then next is salary. C being the working partner were also entitled to a salary rupees 12,000 per annum. So to C's current account, salary 12,000, it will be transferred. I think this part is easy, you can do it, but come to the next part. Now first you will find out what is the amount. Now I have done these calculations. So if I deduct 172 minus 32,000, I get total profit 1,40,000. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
But be
sir.
careful about this. ये वाला सबसे important part है इसका. Total divisible profit is 1,40,000. Now how to divide this profit? First is given the profits were to be divided as the first 20,000 in the proportion to their capitals. First 20,000 means first 20,000 will be divided in the proportion of capital. Capitals are 50, 50 and 1 lakh. Okay? So ratio will be 1:1:2. So first 20,000 will be divided in the ratio 1:1:2. If this point is clear to everyone? Yes? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now next 30,000 in the ratio 5:3:2. So we have 140, it means 30,000 means cover hoga. Next 30,000 in the ratio 5:3:2. Now the remaining profits. Remaining means out of 140, you have divided 20, you have divided 30. So 140 minus 50, remaining profit you get 90,000. And remaining profit is to be shared equally. So remaining 90,000 will be divided equally. Is it clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
now I have divided 20,000 in the ratio 1:1:2. So if I divide this, so A will get 5,000, B will get 5,000, C will get 10,000. Next 30,000, 5:3:2. So 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Similarly, 90,000 equally, 30,000 each. So total of these three will get, A will get 50,000, B will get 44,000, C will get 46,000. Any doubt about this question? This part, sorry.
No, sir.
So you will transfer 50,000, 44,000 and 46,000 to their capital accounts. So to profit transfer to A's current account 50, B's current account 44, C's current account 46, 146. So only this part was new. Okay, how to divide profit in different ratios. Is it clear? So after
Yes,
making
sir.
this, you have to pass the necessary journal entry for the appropriation of profit. You have to pass the necessary journal entry. What should be the journal entry for profits? कोई बता सकता है? Or profit, these are the profits. Can you tell me the journal entry for this?
Sir, profit and loss appropriation account debited to A's current account, B's current account to C's current account.
Very good, very simple. मतलब ठीक है, very good. Simple है कि P and appropriation account debit to A's current account, to B's current account, to C's current account. So you will pass this journal entry. ये देखो, ये छोड़ मत देना क्योंकि एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आया था तो मोस्टली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बना के छोड़ आए थे. बट दिस एंट्री मस्ट बी पास बिकॉज इट हैज बीन आस्क्ड. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to A's current account, to B's current account, to C's current account. Being profit transferred to current account. But अगर किसी ने current की जगह capital लिख दिया है तो his or her answer will be wrong. He or she will get 0 marks. नोट कर लिया सबने बेटा?
सर कैपिटल कब यूज होता है?
यस क्या?
सर कैपिटल अकाउंट कब यूज होता है? जैसे आपने कहा कि यहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट यूज होगा.
Capital account is used when no current account balances are given or it is written कि fluctuating capital account is following. ठीक है? Either it will be written fluctuating capital account method is they are following, or they are following fixed capital account method. If it is written fixed capital, then you will use current account. If it is given fluctuating account method, then you will use capital accounts.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But whenever current account balances are given, always take it as fixed capital account method and always transfer the amount to current account only.
Okay, sir.
Now question number 54. 4 minutes रह गए हैं. Anshul and Asha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Anshul, being a non-working partner, contributed rupees 8 lakh as her capital. Asha, being a working partner, agreed to work for the firm. The partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 5% and salary to every working partner 2,000 per month. So who will get salary? Anshul or Asha? It is given salary to every working partner. So it is given Anshul non-working है and Asha is working partner. So Asha will get 2,000 per month salary. The net profit before providing for interest on capital and partner salary for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 32,000. Show distribution of profits. So it's very simple question. कुछ खास नहीं है. Profit and loss appropriation account. By net profit 32,000 is given to you. Then 5% interest on capital. 5% of 8 lakh. और ठीक है 5% of 8 lakh. Now इसमें एक और डेट होगी. बेटे बुक में देखना कहीं डेट गिवन है. Now, अच्छा 5% of 8 lakh is how much? 5% of 8 lakh क्या होगा बेटा? 40,000. ठीक है. But we have net profit available 32,000. So 32,000 is less than the interest on capital. ठीक है. So we have to follow this method. Since the available profit 32,000 is less than the interest on Anshul's capital and Asha's salaries, means 40,000 तो उसको देना है and 24,000 we have to give as salary. So total amount to be paid is 64,000. But we have only 32,000. ठीक है. It means the available profit is to be divided in the ratio of 40,000 is to 24,000. That is 5:3. ये मैंने पहले भी कराया था. Either you can use this ratio or you can write 32,000 into 40,000 upon 64,000 to Anshul and 32,000 into 24,000 upon 64,000 to Asha. If this part is clear to everyone, I think नहीं हुआ. Yes बेटा.
सर एक बार वापस बता दो.
इसमें ये है 32,000 was the profit available. ठीक है. और हमें अंशुल को इंटरेस्ट देना है 40,000. आशा को सैलरी देनी है 24,000. तो टोटल 64,000 हमें पे करना है. बट हमारे पास सिर्फ 32,000 है. तो वी विल नॉट अलाउ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एट द प्रिवेलिंग रेट. तो हाउ यू डिवाइड दिस 64,000? You can take these two as ratio. 40,000 उसको देना है, 24 उसको देना है. तो अगर इन दोनों की रेशियो बनाओ तो रेशियो comes to 5:3.
5:3.
ठीक है. तो सिंपल 64,000 को 5:3 में डिवाइड कर दो.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. तो they will not get 40,000 and 24,000. They will get 20,000 and 12,000.
Yes.
तो ये कब होता है? When interest on capital is more than the available profit.
Available profit.
ठीक है. Any doubt? So tomorrow onwards we will start next question करेंगे फिर. But till 54 तक you must do all the questions. Better registers with जैसे ही school open होंगे I will check. I will not give any time. ठीक है. registers उसी वक्त ले लूंगा मैं. And projects वगैरह जो बना रही हो उन project को बनाना शुरू कर दो.
सर आपने कहा था बुक के पीछे कोई प्रोजेक्ट ही नहीं है।
बेटे कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव दिया हुआ है बुक के पीछे, थर्ड बुक है ना तुम्हारे पास?
यस सर।
फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट